Hi, welcome to Bonbi TV. Today learn farm animal. You see all the animals there. See, the chuck carry the cow back to the house. To the cow house. Open the door for them. After working day, they're very hungry and tired. Let's give them the food. Zazie is a straw, very nice tail. Straw is the favorite food of cow. All the horse back to the house. Look, there is horse instead. He eating grass. Wow! The grass very tasty and very nice smell. Can I have some? Please. Finish eating. The horse will go back to relax. Hey, our lake here. Come to swim with us, my dear goose. This is a fish. The favorite food of duck and goose. Look over there. The chuck forget a hen. She running under the chuck and go home. And ready back to house. Sissy ran a bride for her. She also likes some germ. Now go to see the pigsty. And feed them. The pig like to eat vegetables and fruit. This is the dog. After a very hard working day, he come back house to have the dinner with friends. Here the food for him is made from bone and fish and the smell very delicious.